Yeah. I mean, this melted so much because it took so long to get out that it basically is a drink. Yeah, sip and snack. We're doing the Christmas McDonald's stuff. It's 2 parts because of wonderness. And also because it's just easier to do it that way. So we'll start off with the drinks and desserts, and then we'll get the food in the second video. Then it just frees up my space. So, they're doing a Terry's Chocolate Orange McFlurry, apparently, for the mass of Christy Mass, or whatever. As you can see, it's melted quite a bit. It was about 40 minutes ago from when this video is being filmed from when I ordered it, so because there was a delay on the apple pie. So let's see what it's like. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Even if it is melted down, the sauce is great, and the little, just so you can get it in view, the chunk is definitely Terry's Chocolate Orange. Has a very distinctive taste. And mixed in with the ice cream, it's pretty good. As a special limited edition flavour, I approve. From there, we transition into the interesting one. So, they're doing Christmas packaging, I think, on their toffee latte and their something else latte, I think. But the special one for Christmas is, oh, hang on, better take this off so I can actually get possibly a free cup, because you never know. Which means that the heat condenser will be rubbish, which means that peel wing cup is empty. No thanks. I'm going to be an idiot. Let's stick it on now. Also amazingly, it's valid till New Year's Eve 2018, so I remember one time when I got it, it was like November, and it was like, yeah, you got till next month. It's like, okay, thanks. So this, oh, it doesn't actually say on the actual container, but a nice little design, I will say, for it. This is spiced cookie latte. I can smell the spice. Wow, that's cinnamon. That is a crap ton of cinnamon. It's not that warm now, although I will say the staff did do me another one because of how long I had to wait because of the apple pie. So thank you to them for that. So let's see. Its cinnamon smell is ridiculous. I didn't realise it was going to be. It's less of a spice cookie. Oh, I guess there is a sort of hint of cookie dough sort of smell, but more cinnamon. So let's try it out. What does that mean? Oh, promo. I'm trying to work out what it is. Wow. Well, it's a latte for sure, but there is that cookie dough taste, but yeah, it's the kick of the cinnamon. That's the spice, which makes sense because winter and Christmas. All in all, that seems good. That's appropriate stuff to have with the rest of my meal. Hopefully this goes up first. I'll have to make sure that I remember to put it up first. Drinks and desserts, which is probably already the title, so you already know that. think I should use the spoon with the actual burgers. No, that might make me look weird.